Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock chart of American Airlines Group. So, after this pandemic happened, airlines is one of the most impacted sector across the world. So there is no denial in that, and most of the companies are indeed filing bankruptcy. But understand one thing, that managing an airline company is anyhow a difficult task because the cost of running an airlines company is very high. The cost rent to manage the asset, the hardcore asset of the company is very high. So obviously, very few players are there into the market. In other sectors, you can, if you see 100,000 players, in airlines you will hardly find 5 to 10, at the max 20. I don't know how much, which country has more than 10 15 airlines, but this is the scenario. Okay, so understand this, that it doesn't matter. I know that you can see and check each and every company's fundamental, and their balance sheet has collapsed in the past quarter or so. But understand this, share price is different. You cannot pinpoint fundamental and share price every time. Share price is simply a market function, it's a demand and supply thing. So if people think, or if the money chase any stock, it will go up. And considering the kind of sector it is, and American Airlines obviously falls into that category, what you will see that of the government or the institution has to give them something. Otherwise, what will happen? Don't think like, why should the government give, and if they give, what should happen? If they won't, what shouldn't? Understand this, it doesn't matter whether you are a private airline or a government owned airline. If you stopping them, you're not talking about the government, you're talking about the people of the country. They can't able to move from one place to another. Okay, so that will be the problem. So none of the government, if the government is sensible enough in any country, they know that how this sector and is working and what is the importance of this sector. So considering that point, obviously looking at the price, when you are talking about the price, we have to look certain things. But considering this kind of scenario, and when free money is chasing the financial market across the world, you should not think anything contrarian which you know cause you your money. So that will be the problem. If you think that market will fall, if you keep on saying market will fall, obviously market will rise, market will fall, but nobody knows when will it happen. If you're saying market will fall, this stock will fall, and someday, let's say after 3 years, the stock has indeed started falling. Okay, so can I say that you are right? No, obviously not, because meanwhile in those 3 years someone had made ton of money, and if he is sensible or knowledgeable enough, he might have sold his stake over a period of time. So we can't say unless there is a proof. If the stock price goes up, we will say it's up, otherwise down. So without further ado, if you look at this chart, so this is the weekly chart of this trend, and what you can see here is this. Okay, so on the upside, we are not going to go above this point 59, because this was the resistance, and this was a big resistance in 2015 and in 2018, and the range is pretty much consolidated before it breaks down. So this is what you can see here. So consolidation range and a breakdown, and right now what you can see here is actually a pattern, technical pattern formation, which is positive in nature and which we called as double bottom. Okay, So just look at this thing, and yep, so this is, let me just expand this chart a bit. So what you will see, a probable formation of W kind of pattern, which is positive. Okay, so let's understand the important support and resistance which we should look and taken care of. So this is your immediate support of 10, and if it falls below 10.92, then 9.11 and 8.32. So if it goes below 8.32, there will be no position, as simple as that. Okay, but your first target here, if the support levels hold, your first target or resistance will be at 22. So what this price leads to 100% jump, okay, from here to reach its first resistance. And after 22.85, then there is another resistance which is of 25. Okay, so this 25 is nothing but the support which the stock took in 2016 and 2014. Now it will act as a resistance, but understand this, once it crosses above 25, what will happen is this trend will again get activated. Okay, this was the consolidated range, and this will again get activated. So once it stay above 25.14, the next target or resistance will be from 56 to 59, or its previous resistance. We won't go beyond 59 for the time being, because the chart pattern has damaged. But technically, and looking at this chart pattern, what you can see here is a probability of a bottom formation. And so I'm not saying that it's a start of a big trend. Even if I'm saying that it will go to 59, let's understand it's just a rebound. Okay, nothing else. So once it goes and stays above 59 and start moving like 60, 65, then we can say that it is start of a new trend, else it's just a rebound. Okay, so understand this. And one more thing is, do not compare fundamentals each and every time. You should understand the market cycle. Okay, share price is a forward looking phenomena. Share price, even the stock market, is a forward looking machine. It's not fundamental which look backwards. A fundamental, when the fundamental release, it's the data which shows that the company has performed, or whatever it has performed in the last or past 3 months. Okay, but what the stock price is saying, that what the stock price and the stock market is looking 3 months from now, 6 months from now, probably 2 years from now, in the future, not into the past. So there is a difference. There will be a point when both catches up, both get synced, fundamental and technical, no denial in that. But meanwhile, if you lose the momentum, if you lose the liquidity, I don't know how many people will make money like that. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this kind of contents. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.